Delish, Buddy Velastro here, the cake boss from the original Carlo's Bakery in Hoboken, New Jersey, and I'm going to show you how we make our edible spring bouquet cupcakes. You're going to love them. It was the cake decorating that made me want to get into baking. He said, everything you do, you got to take pride in. You have to do it a certain way. Frankie! Come on, Frank, come here. Like, you can do it. You can do it. It's all in the finger. It's how you pile it in. It's pipe or pedals. When it comes to piping, it's all about the angles. Ranunculus, baby. This one you're gonna like. Succulent, baby. At least you know that it's not bullshit camera tricks. I could really decorate cakes. Not only are they delish, but they're beautiful. As I'm going around, I'm opening the tip more and more, just like a rose would open more. Nice and filled, baby. I've made so many roses in my life, I could do it blindfolded, okay? This is for Delish. That's how you do it Hoboken style, baby. Delish.